Imagine a world where every living organism interacts harmoniously. Welcome to environmental biology. This field explores the relationship between organisms and their environment. Environmental biology studies how ecosystems function. It focuses on the connections between plants, animals, and habitats. Understanding these connections is crucial for preserving our planet. Now, let's break down some key concepts. First, ecosystems are communities where organisms coexist. They include forests, oceans, wetlands, and deserts. Each ecosystem has unique characteristics and species. Next, we consider biodiversity. Biodiversity refers to the variety of life forms. High biodiversity means healthier ecosystems. It leads to resilience against changes, like climate shifts. Another essential concept is the food web. Every organism plays a role in this web. Producers, like plants, create energy. Consumers, like animals, depend on these producers. Decomposers recycle nutrients, enriching the soil. Human impact is significant in environmental biology. Our actions influence ecosystems. Pollution, deforestation, and climate change threaten biodiversity. It's vital to study these effects and find solutions. Let's put theory into practice. Imagine a local park. Observe the plants and animals there. Identify the food webs and interactions. This simple exercise connects you to the environment. In summary, environmental biology is about understanding life's connections. It teaches us about ecosystems, biodiversity, and human impacts. Protecting these connections is essential for the future. So, what can you do? Explore local environments, participate in conservation efforts, and learn more. Your involvement can make a difference. Together, let's safeguard our planet for generations to come.